going to do a photo shoot at Port Monroe, just like I do with my Triumph and with my Indian. So I just went through the fortifications as you saw, and here is what used to be the old chapel. I'm going to park up here. Oh, it's gravelly, I've got to be careful. I don't want to drop my new bike. I'm going to park up here, going to back it up towards the doors, and then I'm going to start taking some pictures. Gravel's a little bit slippery underfoot, so be extra careful here. Luckily this bike is only 600 pounds, not 850 pounds like my Indian Chieftain was, so it's a lot easier on me to manoeuvre. So taking the first couple of pictures, and then as we go I'm going to post the pictures. I do all this in post-production. See, there's the picture I just took. Now I'm going to take another picture from this side, trying to get all artistic here, or is it autism, and post the picture that I just took. Now I'm going to do that again. This is quite an interesting way of doing it, I think. To placing the camera on the ground, and I've got a 10-second self timer, so I should have brought a tripod with me, but I forgot. But that was the result, which is not actually that bad. So I try it again. It's very difficult to get the correct angle because the camera is very small and wants to fall over. And try not to look at the camera. There we go, looking all heroic with my BMW. Let's try this one more time, see how it works out. I'm going to try and sit on the motorcycle this time. 10 seconds is not a lot of time. But here we go. Try not to look at the camera, we'll look ahead. There we go. That's not bad, huh? And here we are, I'm leaving this area. I'm going to go to another area, take some more photographs, but I will post the results of that later. So this is it for now. Bye bye until the next video. And here is some more pictures at the end. This is the result of the second area where I took the photographs, but I'll add them when I do the next video.